copying from the internet, search engine or whatever, internet, from your browsing as a student to Microsoft Word, you highlight what you need. I'm okay with this. You click, right click, you say copy. You open the Word document. Maybe let's move through the shortcut, or you just say all program, Microsoft Office, you see Word, Microsoft Word, you maximize, you come up here, you say paste. It's loading up. You wait a little, exercise a little patient, it will always work. Now you delete things that you doesn't need. Those things that are not needful, you just eliminate them. You scroll up, these are table. Maybe you wouldn't love the table, you just click here. You come to layout, you say delete, you click delete table. You can see you have now only one page, 436 431 words. Now you can now print. I hope you know how to print. It's cool. Subscribe and follow us.